Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Brigitte and today I will make Halloween wreaths. I start by retrieving a base of an old Christmas wreath. Since the base of the wreath looked like a skeleton, I decide to not hide it. Here I add a skeleton of a crow and put a strobe light to check the effect. Here I make a nest using wire reinforced leaves recycled from a bouquet of paper flower. And that's it. This wreath can, by changing a few things, serve as a base for autumn, Christmas or spring wreath. Let's start with the bird's nest. If you make a decoration that will be outside, you can use branch recover from the ground. On the other hand, if you want to use them indoor, you have to make some precaution. Put the branch into an oven at 400 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes to kill insects or bacteria. The same goes for pine cones. If you want to know how to make the articulate skeleton end, click on the card at the top of the screen or at the end of this video. Now I add a strobe light to give a Halloween effect. And that's it. Still using the same wreath base, I put white roses recovered from a bouquet of artificial flowers. These roses are reinforced with a metal wire, which make them easier to install. If you want to know how to make the small scar, click on the card. Here I place the skull on the strobe light so that the light enters to the skull well. And that's it. If you like this video, click like, share it with your friend and subscribe to my channel so you not miss my next video. Thank you.